Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning 2D animations videos with AI. So if you want to make stunning 2D animation video with zero drawing skills, in this easy guide, I'll show you how you can use AI tools to create your own animated video from start to finish, and it's perfect for beginners. So first you need to choose the right AI animations tools. There are a bunch of AI tools out there, but for beginners I recommend starting with this app.animaker.com. So it's free to try, and you can just open the page in here, and then you can select a category for your AI video generations. So for example, I'm going to just go with this one, product explainer, and in here you can just write your prompt. Just use the simple prompt in here, say this one in here, and then you can just tap on this generate video. Now the app Animaker will analyzing the prompt. You can just wait until the results came out. In here you can choose the background music enable, or you can choose, and then you can also choose the language. Here I'm going to just go with this one, and let's click on proceed. Then click on this proceed to create. Now the Animaker will craft your videos. Here you can also include client testimonials in your video by adding name and ages. I'm going to just skip this part, and also this part. But if you have your own brand logo, you can also upload your logo to make it more professional. And now the video is ready. You can just wait and just play press on this button to preview the result. As you guys can see, the result is kind of good. And if you want to edit it more, you can click on advanced edit. But if you're already satisfied with the result, you can just tap on download. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.